Hi, sir. Hi, Masters. And thank you so much for this opportunity. I never thought I would be coming to Egypt trip. It was not in my agenda. And one day during meditation, when I questioned myself, I really felt I should go to Egypt. And thanks to Vamsi sir, Manoj sir, for taking care of us very beautifully. It was really a memorable trip. Even after coming from Egypt, as Vaishnavi madam and others told, we are still there. Even when I close my eyes now, I feel the calmness of the Nile River and the Giza Pyramid. So, when Ayapasa shared his experience about Patriji coming in dream, the same night even I saw Patriji in my dream. It was a very big experience, although I don't remember much of it, but I could feel Patriji's presence. And after I wake up from that dream, I felt as if Patriji's energy and eyes are on me, and I suddenly felt a huge shift in my energies from one day before and after that dream. From that day, actually, I got much confidence. I'll be going happy to Egypt. And throughout the trip, not just my friends, even from unknown people, I got so much help in every moment. I should really thank all those masters, because even though they didn't know me, they helped me in every moment. And a few temples I really enjoyed Egypt. And nowhere in the Egypt I felt as if I'm in a foreign land. I always consciously I had to remember I'm in foreign land, I'm in Egypt. But otherwise, I felt like home. I felt like India. I felt like my place. And when we used to touch the symbols, the walls, and when the guide used to ask us to touch the place where the statue is placed, everywhere I could feel the energies. And really, any trip going with a group, and not just group, with meditators, with masters, is really blissful. It was very happy and fun. And I was waiting throughout the trip for that Giza pyramid experience for meditation. But consciously, I used to come back. No, let me enjoy the trip. Let me enjoy the trip. And one day, next day, we had to go to the Giza pyramid for meditation. I was very happy. At the same time, I was feeling the trip is already over. The trip is already over. But I think almost 24 hours before us going to the Giza pyramid, I was in silence. I don't know, I just felt like that. And I felt when we are in silence, we observe more, we understand more, we learn more. And I could sense the energies more. So, this is one my observation. And the meditation in the pyramid, uh, I didn't know the time frame at all. Wanted to spend more time, and it was very happy and satisfying. I don't know how many minutes I meditated, but it was very happy. Even during meditation, I was smiling and happy. Uh, my group meditation was very deep. I saw a fountain of energies and shower throughout all the people who are meditating there. And though it was just like a chamber, I could see open space, sky, stars, the entire space itself, and it was very clear and very beautiful. And it was as if we are near the apex of the pyramid. It was very beautiful. And even after coming from there, I can see huge shift in the energies, or in my speed, or in my thoughts. Uh, I don't know, when I sat there in the pyramid, I usually don't think of any thing like I want that or this. But during that particular meditation, I thought I should be so strong and so healthy, that so that I can do more works. I can speed up my works. I can do much more things. I don't know, this thought came, but after this meditation, after me coming, I can really see that difference now. and I can see my shift in energies, and I'm very happy I made to Egypt. Uh, Among throughout the world, I am not a travel person. I don't feel like going anywhere, just to sit at home, cozy, comfortable. But the two places I really love are, one is Egypt and one is Himalayas. So one is over. I'm very happy I completed it. And thanks to all the masters who came. It was a very beautiful and memorable trip. This is my first international trip and first spiritual tour. And thank you for organizing such a trip, sir.
Thank you, madam. Thank you for sharing. Yeah, for many of us, many of you, the first international trip, many of them got their passport printed first. When we were approaching, people said, "Can we come with PAN card and Aadhaar card?" And I said, "No, we need passport." First time to the airport, first time to the flight, first time to the Egypt. Nobody felt it's another country. I always felt it is an extended India. But there, the energy is everything. Way back in 2009, when I went with Patriji, it was more of cleansing that space. Because the first time we went to that country, first time we entered every temple, the first time we went to Giza pyramid, it was very heavy. It was a lot of negativity. It was very, very cleansing, say, except the Giza pyramid and few other places, my experiences are also very less. But now when I see, after many trips by Patriji and Pyramid Masters, time and again going to the Egypt, to the same temples, to the same Giza pyramid, almost to the same roads, they have cleansed a lot of negativity. And I could say it was like 100 negative and 0 positive way back then. Now it is like 50-50. Positive and the negative energies are equally balanced. So now I am very happy now. I am not a traveler, not at all a traveler. But then since many masters have been asking me conduct this trip, my mentors also told, not for you, for others, why don't you do once? So I was also thinking in the mind, this will be my first and last, I can't do again. But look at the destiny, once I reached there, huge thing was put on my shoulder to take batches after batches to Egypt. The next April again, I have to take another batch. This time only 88 people, plus me and Manoj, that's it, 90. Not more than that, because we understood many mathematics after our first trip. We understood many things, what to do, what not to do, where to take little more extra care, where not to rush.